Everyone to this course on how to make your very first game using Unity. In this series of videos, we'll help you take your first steps inside of this amazing game creation tool. We'll learn all about the basics of Unity, then move on to mastering the fundamentals of the C# programming language, and finally make our very own 2D game using all that I've covered so far to make games. When we started out, we would have needed this course. It starts off by us teaching you the basics of Unity, so how to navigate the interface, create objects and manipulate them, use components, the hierarchy and more. Now, to make games inside of Unity, you're going to need to know how to code using the C# programming language. That might seem like a daunting, scary task, but we'll break it down bit by bit and gain a really deep and strong understanding of variables, functions, loops, arrays, and more. All these programming fundamentals that will let you bring your unique ideas to life. Oh, and cherry on the cake, you'll often be faced with little challenges, so you don't just copy whatever we do, but come to truly understand it all. Anyway, once we've tackled the basics of both Unity and C#, we'll use all of that newly acquired knowledge to create an entire game, Raining Apocalypse. A fun little action game where you control a fiery player character that must dodge icy hazards that are falling from the sky. By making this small game, we'll learn how to make simple game art and animate it directly inside of Unity. We'll also create particle effects, add sounds and music to our game, learn the basics of UI to make a simple health display, a cool main menu and a loose screen. And of course, we'll do a lot of simple programming to get this whole game working. We pride ourselves in making short, very well edited videos packed with top-notch information and no hesitations or mumbling. We respect your time and want to pass on only the most useful, clearest explanation, and ask for help if you're facing some problem. Oh, and also, this course comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so if you end up not enjoying the course, you can get a full refund. So definitely give it a try. We're 100% sure that this is the set of tutorials you need to learn how to make games. Whether you've never touched Unity before or have but can't wrap your head around some programming concepts or have a lot of trouble making a complete game, then we'll definitely be able to help you out here.